watch it pour, sitting on the porch swing, counting every crack in the floor, thinking over time I was chasing out a sign, searching for something I was never meant to find.